Good morning and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This week it is Mother's Day in Australia, so I thought in celebration of Mother's Day I might do something from the Botanical collection that I have had sitting around for some time, and it is the Bird of Paradise. This set is set number 10289, comes with 1,173 pieces, so this will be a much longer speed build than what I usually do, but it's for Mother's Day and we will do whatever we need to for our mothers. And so on that note, a very happy Mother's Day to my mother and to my sisters as well with their children. So, and all the mothers out there, I hope you have a wonderful day. Please, if you like this content, like and subscribe. So we will do the speed build and then come back for the review like we always do on a Sunday morning. So I hope you can stay with me for that and see how this speed build goes. So we're 40 minutes into the build and I decided to stop here and just look at the base separately. If you're following on the speed build, there's a lot of repetition in this, so it does take a lot of time, but interesting how it all came together. Base is really solid. It's actually really quite heavy. Looks great, as you can see in the picture anyway, but when you have it physically in your hands, it is really heavy, really solid, and does actually look really good. So that's great to see. So when it's sitting on a bench, if it gets knocked, it's not going to tip over too easy. So yeah, really interesting. Lots of pieces involved in this and lots of different techniques to achieve that round nature of the base. All right, so it's time to get into bags 3, 4, and 5, which will be the foliage. So hopefully that won't take as long, but it does look like a lot of repetition again. So we'll see how we go with that. Back to the speed build. We're up to 1 hour and 20 minutes. We're on to the final stage, which is putting the soil into the base. So here we go. Oh. There we go, not too many loose pieces. All right, so here we have set number 10289. It is an 18 plus set. 1,173 pieces. It's the Botanical collection, Bird of Paradise, and it's a spectacular looking piece. It is extremely repetitive, so you do need a lot of patience to do this, but I think the end result is really quite good. I'm not going to pull this apart to show any specific techniques. These are all, more or less custom pieces anyway. So the technique used was really in the base, which I showed a little bit midway through the speed build, but an outstanding looking piece. I really do like how the Bird of Paradise comes up with the color contrast with the green and the orange and the purple and the red. It really is quite striking. So a great build to do for a Mother's Day. It is probably the longest Sunday morning builds that I have done, but it is a special occasion, so happy to do that. And next week we'll get back into the more regular type of Sunday morning builds. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And with that said, again, a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope you enjoy your day. Bye for now.